rose from modelling for pocket money to becoming Bollywood's acclaimed Nagma Khatun in Gangs of Wasseypur, Richa Chadda opens up in an exclusive chat with News9, reflecting on her journey, her guru Barry John, and her early days in the industry. Listen in.
Richa, you're a Delhi girl, you did theatre, one seen you in plays, let me tell you. And then you moved to Mumbai. And the first time I saw you on screen, you actually burst forth because the shot, if you remember, it was Oi Lucky Lucky Oi, it's Dipakar's film. And the hero is sitting, and there is a shot of where you're actually towering over him and berating him, giving him, a kind of piece of your mind to say, you wasted my time all this while. Why are you doing this? I want to ask you something. We've had enough of stories about struggles and nepo kids. I'm not going to go into that, but I'm going to ask you that how easy was it to, not tough, but how easy was it to kind of meander into the world of Hindi cinema? And also, what did it take for you to adapt or rather readapt? Because you also modeled. Yeah.
Good evening, namaste, salam alaikum. I'm very happy to be here. Thank you for having me, and thank you for such a wonderful introduction and this AV and this question. I only modeled for a very little amount of time while I was studying at St. Stephen's College in Delhi for a little bit of extra pocket money, and also because, we theatre wallas are often accused of not knowing how to be in front of the camera,
Right.
how to pose, how to stand, how to speak. So to get over that initial inhibition, I did a bit of modeling for like a local dairy and, a phone and a phone network and
Glad
such.
rags? Did you?
Yes, I also entered a pageant because for the same
remember.
reason.
Yeah, right.
For the same reason.
Uh-huh.
To educate myself in a very wholesome way about being in front of the camera. But I must say my break came fairly easy. I was doing a play with my guru, Mr. Barry John, who's just been awarded the Padam Shri this year. He's an Irishman who moved to India about 50 years ago to teach theatre and use theatre as a means of social change. And we were doing this play called Baghdad Ka Ghulam. Somebody happened to see it. And I got called for an audition for Oi Lucky, and that's how I landed the part.
Okay, so we are not going to speak work now. I'm going to ask you something, and it's going to put a smile on your face. How's Zonera?
Zonera's good. I'm having separation anxiety. My daughter's just turned 1, and I've left her with the father, which is great. He was like, you go, do your thing, and I shall be here taking care of the child. Women need men like that.
Absolutely. Okay, one of the main characters that a lot of people shall always remember you forever, and may you go on for a long time, is Nagma Khatun. You look at it, I mean, when we speak about Gangs of Wasseypur, we only remember male characters. We Sardar, Sultan, Faisal, like you call him, and Piyush Mishra's character, the dialogues, so it's an iconic film. But I think the kernel of the film was Nagma Khatun. I think from a young woman who marries this man, a gangster, tolerates, but also loves him to pieces, because I can see that love through, through all the ordeals that she goes through. And to mature as a woman, as somebody whose children, her sons are the same, sees them get married, sees them killed. This is a canvas, Richa Chadda, from a young woman to an old woman. Very challenging. I mean, isn't it true that you were signed for it much before the movie started shooting?
Yes, I was signed for it about 6 months before the film started to shoot, but I must say I'm lucky that I got the part because a lot of women had turned it down. And they had turned it down only because it required a certain amount of aging. And you know what? I don't blame them so many years on. I don't blame them because I see how the rules are slightly different for men and women, I would say, even now in the entertainment industry. Well, their loss was my gain. And I saw it as a great opportunity to display the whole range of my talent, to do the accent work of a Bihari woman who's not educated, from a rural area, who has 4 children, and then, many grandchildren. So it was a lot of fun.